What's up, Viber? Here's his friend Ron. Today, in day number 4 to building 30 mobile apps in 30 days. Today, I just feel like you're gonna love this mobile app. I guess it's going to be one of the easiest tutorial, but one of the most reliable. Because today we are gonna create a chatbot mobile AI, or how I call you better, ChatGPT app clone. Perfect. A ChatGPT mobile app clone only using Vibe coding. If you don't know me yet, I'm Rom. I am a Vibe coder that is creating 30 mobile apps in 30 days, only using free tier options, Vibe coding editors. I'm trying to learn a lot of new stuff to teach you how to build your own applications only using Vibe coding. So let's get started. Today, remember, all the resources is going to be in the link below. So to build this following application is gonna be pretty easy. But first of all, we need to go to Open Router. What is Open Router? It's the site when we are gonna get the API of the model that we are going to use. Obviously, you need to create an account here in Open Router. Go here to models. Remember, open Router models. We wait a bit. Alright. Here we say prompt pricing, go to free. Free, remember, we can't use paid option in this challenge. Right in the content length, at the medium, we can use Qwen or DeepSeek. Personally, I like to use DeepSeek, offer better options. Alright, click on DeepSeek. This is the model that we're going to use. Perfect. And go here to API. First of all, copy this code and go to cloud. You can go to cloud, GPT, anything. Go here. Remember, all the resources is in the link below. Copy this prompt. Perfect. Here is our API key. Here is a code that we're gonna get here. Perfect. In the code section, copy this code. Remember, open the model, DeepSeek, API, OpenAI Python code, copy this code, perfect, paste here. Alright, we have this one, and in the API, we're gonna create an API key. So easy than just create an API key. We're gonna lovable chat, for example. You can let this in blank, but I'm gonna say $1. Obviously, it's for free. This gonna cost absolutely nothing because it's a free API. But remember, I'm gonna leave this in blank. Perfect. Copy this API key here. Go back to cloud. Paste the API key. Perfect. I'll send this, and practically you don't need to write a single line of code with this option. Perfect. Alright. Fine. We have the code with the API key. Right. Routines works fine. Perfect. Now this following code is going to be copied, but go back to the copy paste zone. Copy this prompt and go to Lovable. Go here to Lovable, paste this code, create a chatbot AI web app, connect to model name. Go back here. Bring to the model name. The model name is DeepSeek Prover B2 Free. Perfect. I'm gonna copy it over here. Alright, let me find. I really recommend you copy over here. Alright. DeepSeek Prover B2 Free. Free. Alright. I'm gonna copy the model name. Perfect. I'm gonna paste here. DeepSeek Prover B2 Free. And the code we get from cloud. Right. Let me close these tabs because my PC is overwhelmed. Right. Copy this code. Fine, copy this code, go back to the prompt. Right, we paste code. Perfect. Copy this code. Now copy the prompt into Lovable. Create a chatbot and we click and send this. Perfect, guys. We have the chatbot completely working on. Let's make a few questions to test if this API is working on. For example, I don't know, something like what is the name of the Fiverr owner? The owner of Fiverr is Michal Kaufman. Let's check this in Google. Fiverr owner Michal Kaufman. Yeah, CEO of Fiverr. Right? This is working. Let's ask something else. For example, what is 2 plus 2? You know, something very easy. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And to check, we go to the API. Go back to Open Router. Here, keys, lovable chat, limited, view activity. Perfect. And here we can see, yeah, this app is already working with our API. This is the 2 questions that we make here. Actually, we have the application working, but it's look very awful. very awful. So go back to the search material that is here in the middle. Copy this prompt. This is the front-end design prompt. Copy into lovable chat. Alright. Go to the inspiration zone. Remember, the inspiration zone is all the screenshot that we're gonna use to create the front-end. Perfect. Alright, this is the images. Perfect. Go here. Copy the images. Perfect. Alright. One more. I like this one. Alright. Perfect. Right. And we send this to Lovable to create the front end without touching any kind of backend. Now we wait to make this work. Alright, guys, we have the final app created here. This is how it looks like, or ChatGPT Clone. I found so many things that I don't like. I'm gonna change it. Obviously, all the prompts that I use is going to be in the link below. This is the features and changes I'm gonna make to create our perfect ChatGPT mobile clone. Right, guys, we have the ChatGPT clone finally created, connected to our free API. This is how it looks like for mobiles. So, the next step, if you're new, I'm gonna explain this. First of all, publish your project. I want to connect this to Supabase. I'm gonna leave the Supabase tutorial for tomorrow because I wanna create a better ChatGPT clone, including images and more features, even saving chat history. But this is not gonna be for this video. That is going to be for the next video. Perfect. We have our project already published. We wait a bit. Alright, this is our mobile ChatGPT clone. Remember, copy this URL, open medium.co. Medium.co is this tool that you are seeing here. Perfect. Medium.co. Create an account in Medium because this is a website to turn your web app into a mobile app for iOS or Android. Perfect. Create a new app. Medium is the easiest way to craft these mobile apps because you only need to paste your website, right? Echo your AI assistant. Perfect. Start building my app. And meanwhile, we are waiting. Let's open Recraft. Recraft is an AI editor tool to create icons, create different images. In this case, we are gonna create an icon for our mobile app. Perfect. Right, I'm thinking about what should be the idea for this icon. Right, perfect. Remember, guys, click on Recraft B2 row. This is the model. Open this. Go to search styles and write icon. Icon, apply, and let's write a quick prompt, something like UI AI friend robot in a minimalistic design with vibrant color palette. Perfect. Recraft. Now it's time to wait to the AI generate. No, I don't know. I don't like. No. Oh, but this one is not so bad. But UI friend robot. Oh, UI AI friend robot. Icon app for iOS and Android. I'm gonna leave this prompt in the sources. Now, second attempt. Guys, oh, I like this. This look like I like this one. This one is I like this. Perfect. Right click, export PNG to export or image with no background to use it later for the icon. Alright, I'm gonna save this. Day 4. Perfect. Now go back to medium.co. Right, we are gonna upload our image. Perfect. Serious. Day 4. Alright, gonna make it a bit bigger. Perfect. Save this. Fine. Now we need to wait to the AI upload the image or icon. Now it's already loaded. I don't know why it's not changed yet. Alright guys, perfect. We have our icon. Actually this building, I know this look like there is no an icon here, but the app have an icon. I just tested it. So The time now is to download or create the APK. I know so many people that is watching these videos are looking for an iOS tutorial. Personally, I don't have an iPhone, so I can't create this tutorial for iPhone, not yet, but I promise you in the future to create a special tutorial only for my iOS friends. Right, build all. This is going to build all the binaries to turn our web app into an APK. Now we wait. Perfect. Alright guys, we have my case, it's already done. I'm gonna install this ChatGPT Clone in my device now. Alright guys, I'm gonna install this application. Let me download it. Perfect. Open. Alright, your Echo, your AI system. Yep. Just wait a bit. Yeah. Alright, it's time to open our application. Alright, it looks very well. Yeah, I like it. For example, let me, I don't know, nutrition tips. Sometimes the API can be last a bit because remember, we are using a free API. But we have a very, very good answer. Let me change, add a new conversations, cool innovation. Let me add something like, I don't know, what is vibe coding? What is vibe coding? Perfect. Right, wait a bit. Alright, it was a very big question. We can change this in the parameters of the app, but this is the application, guys. If you watch the video until the final, following all the steps, you have created your own mobile ChatGPT clone only using Vibe coding. Right. I feel very excited, guys, with this one. Remember, all the templates is going to be in the link below in the VibeMarket. That is my personal website where I load all the templates of this series and all the searches with prompts, inspiration, images, all the things is going to be in the link below. So guys, this was the video of today. If you like, I really appreciate you leave your comment, your like, support, and please leave me in the comments a few ideas to create the next apps of the following days. So this was Rom. Remember, keep building, keep creating, keep believing in you. See you guys.